Hey, it's Keith. I'm back here at Life Journey Production Studios. Thanks for joining me. I have in my hands the Elgato Key Light Air. I have 2 key lights, but this one isn't for me. This is for my son, Bryson. It's his birthday. He turns 20 today. He's been a gamer. He's been building his own game station. He probably learned that from his father, and he's missing one crucial piece, in my opinion, and that's this. We're going to wrap it up. We're going to go to dinner with his girlfriend. Check out this footage in a minute, and we're going to come back. He's going to unwrap it. We're going to unbox it together, and we're going to set it up with his Stream Deck and all the Elgato software right in his gaming station. He's 20, and now he's going to have a Key Light Air. So stay tuned. We'll be right back, and he'll unwrap it. What is it?
I don't know. The box?
You're unboxing it or unwrapping it?
Unwrapping it.
What do you got?
The Key Light Air? What is, oh, I see. The lights for the face cam.
Excited?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's go unbox it. Yeah, I'll take that. So what do you got in there?
So right here, it's like a big cardboard deal. It's like instructions, it looks like. And here we got a box that looks like a bit cables and stuff.
Cool.
Cords. All kinds of stuff falling out of here. Power cord.
Hold that down on the camera.
Power cord.
Cool.
All kinds of different stuff in here. Looks like it's different knobs and stuff to screw it into different mounts, maybe. And then there's some different parts to put on for power.
Awesome. So you have all the different country.
And then
Sweet. What do you got there?
this looks like the base.
Yep.
For the light.
Awesome. Cool.
And then we got the light probably right here.
Woohoo! Look at the back of that too. Awesome.
Key light.
Way cool. Let me get the cool other side. Awesome. So that's pretty sick. It's a little bit smaller than mine, but it's going to be easier to fit in your desk.
Yeah, I don't need too much too because it's just me.
That's
A little smaller
bar.
room.
And this is different than mine. This has got a different kind of base. It goes right on your desk. That's really cool.
Yep.
Anything else in that box?
Looks like all of it.
Cool. And then what's that little card?
Oh, just a little Elgato thing here. Too sure what's in here. All kinds of different languages.
Awesome. So now, right now, you have, what are you using the Elgato Stream Deck for?
For streaming, live streaming video
Cool.
games on Twitch.
So we'll put it together and we'll come back and we'll show you what it looks like right here on the table. And then we're going to show you a setup with him in his gaming room. It's like a room / gaming zone, right?
Yeah, it's my workspace.
So I hear you're doing pretty good right now on the game you're on.
Yep, we're playing Valorant, and right now I'm Diamond 3 and playing in Immortal games, and hopefully getting Immortal, which is right below the top 500. It's the top, like, right now it's about the top 9,000 in
Wow.
North America is Immortal, and I'm right below it right now.
Woo! So NZXT Computer, you have the Stream Deck, got a really cool. We did a mod for your headset,
Yep.
the A40s, right?
A40s.
A40s. So we did the mod kit, and now we're unboxing the Key Light Air. So cool. So stay tuned. We'll be right back, and we're going to show you this all put together, and then we're going to fire up his Stream Deck and show you how that works in his game room. So we'll be right back.
All right, I'm gonna put it together now, or the mount and everything. All right, so it looks like I got this guy first, the stand for it all, and then there's a screw that goes in the back here. Tight. Not going anywhere. All right. Then this is adjustable here. Should go over whatever. Right back here. Just guessing. Then we got these guys here. Oh, here's that Elgato app or the Control Center app on my phone. It's got all these different lights on here. Two are my dad's lights that we're using right now, but the top one is mine. It's this one right here. It's the key light. And then I can go here. I can turn it off and on just from the top button right there. And then you can also adjust the different, like the warmth of the light. If you want it like more white light, you can adjust that. So it's a lot more bright.
Show it to my camera real quick.
There's brighter, a little more white light, and a little more warm. And then you can also do the brightness here. It's pretty dang bright.
Wow.
And then there's like it's all the way down, the lowest setting.
Cool. And then say I can now control my dad's lights.
I can also control these lights too. So if I wanted, I can black it out in here. Now let's go set up my Stream Deck. I'm gonna download this software. You go here, select what you're looking for, and we're doing the Key Light Air, and then Windows, and then just download this here. Open it up. Should automatically pop up down here when you open it up for the first time, and then here we got it. Here's my dad's lights, and here's my Key Light Air. You can adjust the color temperature here, and then the brightness as well. Also off and on, of course. All right, here's my Stream Deck, and then you can go down from here. You just keep scrolling down. Eventually you'll find it, and it'll say Control Center right here. And you can do things like on and off. You can set brightness, and you can adjust. Obviously you want to pick the right light, which reminds me of the air. And this one's at 50%, so that's what it's auto set to, but you can drag this up and down wherever you want it. And then you can do that for different sets of brightnesses if you would like. And then you can do adjust brightness. This one's a 10% down, or you can do any percentage up or down. You can make two of those to go up or down just from your Stream Deck over here. And then you also can do temperature. You can do the same thing with the adjust, where it's 10% up, 10% down, or whatever percentage you like, or not percentage, but. And then you can also do just here, just have a preset. You can drag this to wherever you like it. Of course, make sure to select your correct light. And then pressing those look like this. This is making it a little bit more warm each time. And then this one, obviously, brightness. Oh, it's not set to the right 1. Gotta make sure you're doing the right function. Then this on and off. And then this is set to 24% brightness, that's what we set it to. And this one will make it brighter each time I press it.